let me know screen is sharing or not.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. So we will start just a minute. See, I have one financial data with you. Okay. So in this financial, let me show you in the Excel file. Today we are creating two things. One is calculated column and second one is calculated measure. And what is the difference between calculated measure and calculated column? Okay. So first I enable this one. See, this is our financial data like segment, country, product, discount, unit, sold, manufacturer, sale price, gross, discount, sales box, profit date, month number. Okay, so this kind of data we have. So now, first of all, just first a simple thing. Let me do it here. Yeah. So first of all, my first steps is every project is like data extracting from Excel. So right now we are extracting data from Excel like financials. We are going to open this one. Okay. So in this financial, we have some data related to like sales data segment.
यहाँ पे हर्ष इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ना हम डेटा, तो
Yeah, data extract. It's called data extract.
इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट बोलेंगे.
The tool is an
Sir.
extraction of data. So extraction means
Harsh
it is
ji.
of import.
अच्छा,
Yes.
ओके ओके ओके,
Sir,
ठीक.
tell me, Jasraj.
यस यस, ओके, ठीक है.
Okay. So
Extract.
extraction is also kind of import. Like there is a three tools. Okay, ETL tool. ETL means extraction, transformation, and
हम्म,
load. Okay. So this kind
Okay.
of ETL tool is known as Power BI tool, Python, machine learning. ये जितने भी
हम्म,
machine learning application होते हैं ना, ये सारी आपकी ETL tool में मानी जाती है. ठीक है.
ओके.
अभी जैसे
Sir,
project है,
APL tool, sir.
ETL, not APL.
ETL.
Yeah, ETL means extraction, transformation, and load. Means we have to data extract from any sources, any number of sources, and then transform into the our query as per our requirement, and then load the data into the software. Like Power BI is a software. It is just a machine, and data is a background, like Excel file or the SQL, like server, like source. This kind of data we have. So Power BI, Python, machine learning, Informatica, this kind of is just a machine, and machine needs a fuel, and fuel is just like a data. Okay. So now our first step is done, extraction. Now we are going to transform some of the things. But in this example, I have nothing to do any transformation. But yes, I have one more thing to do. But yes, right now I will just close this one and close and apply. We will do further.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू प्रमोद, आप ना अपना एक बार ना माइक्रोफोन को म्यूट कर लो. जब बोलना होगा तो फिर ऑन कर लेना, बिकॉज इससे नहीं तो ना रिकॉर्डिंग.
या राइट या म्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज, बिकॉज म्यूट करने से क्या होता है बीच में ना इशू जो होता है वो नहीं आता. ठीक है. सो देखिए, नाउ वी आर गेटिंग लोड आवर डाटा रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंशियल्स. ओके. सो ऑल द डाटा इज डन. सो एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? The first steps is done in extraction, transformation, and load. The second step we are done with some of the information like I will do in future. Tell me here any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now I move this one. See, in this modeling, in this relationship step, we have only the one table, financials. But tell me, if we need data relating to a calendar table, like we have to maintain the data query related to calendar. Okay. So in the financial, we have one date column, but from matching, like it is a financial and it is just a fact table, because we have to maintain a relationship between fact table and dim table. But here we don't have any dim table. Then you have to analyze your thinking related to dim table and connect your data into the calendar table. Okay. So now we are creating one more table in our modeling. First is a financial table and second one is a calendar table. So calendar table, we have no data. We are just creating by a DAX formula. Okay. So we are creating a new table with a DAX formula. Go to modeling. Okay, there is an option of new measure, quick measure, new column, and new table. So click on the new table because we need to add a new table. If we need to add a new column, then we need to click on new column. If we click add to measure, if we want to create a measure on the modeling, then we have to create a new measure or quick measure. So first I need a table, then I click on table, new table. See, right now we have the table name is there. Now we have to choose the table. Suppose now we have to give the table name as dates. Okay, so dates means suppose in our financial data, let me do with you. In our financial data, there is a date column. Just okay. So there is a starting date is 2013 and see the starting date is 1st September maybe. See when you click on the September and click on OK. See, starting date is from our data is the 1st September and ending date is 31st of December. When you checking the data, let me check with you. When you click over there and go to the December and OK, see the last date is 1st of December. Okay, 1st of December is the last date in our data. But if let me know if we don't know about the dates like start date or end date. If we don't know about the dates, then how to create a table with this modeling step. Okay, so there is a one more thing reason. Go to the data modeling here. Okay, there is a one more function, one important function which we use here. Like first, what is the function related to calendar? Okay, so see, it is opening into start date and end date. So start date is suppose if we know the start date, then we click on directly start date to end date. But if we don't know the start date, then how to do a calendar table? How to do a make a table with this? Okay, so there is a function related to click on first. You need to click on shift enter. Shift enter is for let me do one example. Shift plus enter is for to select other line. Select other line. Okay. Now shift enter. So calendar is just a function, and under this function we use a date function. Okay. So under the date function we need year, month, and date. So year is belonging to our financial data. So then we can use the year, and from the year the starting date is a minimum and ending date is a maximum in our data. So we use a minimum. Okay. So minimum is from what? Minimum is from our financial data. So you can click on financial date. Okay. So minimum date is selected from financial date and close this one. And right now click on comma and month. Now the month number. So starting month is 01. Okay. Starting day is 01 and then okay. Then there's a first starting date is over. Now ending date. See when we click on see there is an example is here. When we click on the comma, the start date is over. Now we put the end date, and end date is our control shift enter directly. Then you have to move the next line. Then directly the same formula is there. Here max. Right now we need a max. First time in the starting date we need a minimum, but in the end date we need a maximum date. Okay, so maximum date of financial column. In the financial table, we need a maximum clause, and maximum month name is in our data is 12 and maximum day is 31st. Clause, one more clause and click on enter. See, our date table is ready with just one column. Let me do with example. See, I'm going to click on dates. See, our date column is ready with as per our financial data 1/1/2013 to an ending date is see when you click on the ending date see 31st/12/2014. Our whole calendar date is we have. Okay. So any doubt in this? Jasraj, Pramod?
No,
Any
no,
doubt?
no, no.
Pakka?
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
it means that यहाँ पे हर्ष like you are telling us और
Yeah,
हमें बता रहे हो आप
yeah, yeah,
कि अगर हमें फर्स्ट डेट ओके
yeah.
स्टार्टिंग डेट और एंड डेट अगर नहीं पता है तो देन
Right.
वी नीड टू डू लाइक दिस वन राइट.
Right, right. But if you know about the starting or end date, then you have to put just a simple thing. Like in the year,
यस.
you have to put the year 2012. Date and
ओके
format is just the same. Month and date is the same. Okay.
ओके ओके
So
ओके.
because when you're working in the data, suppose if you have a 10,000 million of data, then you don't know about the year or month or date. You only know about the your date table only. Oh, sorry, your fact table only. So that's need your minimum date is for starting and maximum date is for ending date. Just a simple thing. And there is a one more way to add this calendar table. I will let you know in future, just in just a 5 minutes. Okay. So now we have a one date table. Now suppose in the date table we have a full date and time. Now we need to add separate. Year is separate, month is separate, day is separate, month number is separate. So how to separate? We have add. So in the date table we need to add a new column. Okay. In the date table we need to add a new column and put the separate. So separate is from first we need a year. So then click on year. For name is year, and now you have to use a one more important function in our text format. So format is for what? Date table. Under the date को हमने format करना है in the format of year. So year, if you want year in a four digit, then click on this type and format. See, the year is different from your date. 2013, 30. Okay. So now if you need a month, then you need to just on new column. Okay, and click on under the column as per a month number, not name. Right now we use a month number. So for month number you need to use format date table. Okay, click and give the number format. Suppose if you want number in two format, then click on month, enter, and right now it's a month number. Suppose now you need to add a date, add a day, not a month. Year, month is okay. Now we need to add a day. Okay. Day is equal to format. Value is for date, comma, and you need a day. So day is for double day. Okay, so there is a date. If you want to date in a triple digit, okay, so I just copy this one and new column. And if you want a day in a three digit, then you need to just enter okay day. So here we need a day. Because one already is done, then we use date name. See, the day name is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. So now next one is if we want to use month and number. Okay. Month and year and month number in the same code. Means year and month number in a same code. If we want to year and month in a same column, then we use a format and click on value, date, comma, use year and month in a same column. See, year as well as month in a same column. So as per your requirement, you have to format your date into the format. Okay. So there is a one thing to add a date table. Now there is a second more thing. Let me add a new table. Click on home. Add a new table. So new table is also adding for a calendar. So now we are using a dates table. Okay. So now we are using a date table. So under this date table, we are using now a calendar auto function. See, the calendar auto function asks you from fiscal year and month. Means the total year and month from where you need to starting the month and give the ending of month only. Means if
Harsh,
that,
sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
We are adding a new table in our database, right? जो हमने
yeah,
extract किया है
in our
Excel से यहाँ पे, है ना?
yeah.
उस पे हम कर रहे हैं. तो जो हमने अभी ऐड किया, अगर can you show that table on that particular database? उस database में दिखेगा? एक बार दिखा दोगे एक बार please?
In which database? In Excel?
हाँ, अभी जो हमने extract किया ना,
Right?
एक्सेल से अपने पावर बीआई में लेके आए ना, उसी
Yeah.
में आप ऐड कर रहे हो ना?
नहीं, हम एक्सेल में ऐड
तो
नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम पावर बीआई में
फिर
ऐड कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो पावर बीआई में जो हमने एक्सट्रैक्ट करके डेटा लेके आए हैं, ठीक है, अभी हमारा तो एक्सेल में था, ठीक है,
राइट,
उस डेटाबेस को हमने अपने पावर बीआई पे लेके आया फॉर द
राइट,
मैनिपुलेशन और डिगिंग और
राइट,
विजुअलाइजेशन जो भी करने के लिए. तो ये
राइट,
जो हमने अभी ऐड किया डेट मंथ और सब चीज, वो एक बार आप दिखाओगे कैसे ऐड हुआ जो अभी हमने किया?
just a minute, I will let you know, but first I will just complete. Okay, so
यस
date
यस,
table
श्योर
and
श्योर.
date table and the calendar auto function, you can just click, open the bracket and close the bracket and click on enter. Okay, just only just
ओके
click on enter. So when you click on enter, see your date table is ready, automatic ready. You don't need to write any
ओके
start date or end date. You have just
ओके
formatting the function as per your table. See, directly it will automatically connected. So there is a two function for
ओके
calendar date table. One is calendar auto, one is just calendar. In the calendar, you need to put the calendar auto start date and end date, but in the calendar auto function, you don't need to enter a start date or end date. Okay, so there is a difference.
ओके
Two DAX function, calendar auto and calendar. See, there's a three tables we have now.
ओके
Financial, see, under the date table, see, under first one is financial, which we accepted from Excel. This one. Now
यस यस.
table which we connected from calendar auto function. Now we have a third table which we add for this function. So we have all
ओके
together.
ओके, इट मींस दैट ये तीनों का तीनों टेबल्स, ऑल टेबल्स आर फाइनेंशियल डेट टेबल्स एंड डेट्स टेबल, वो
Yeah,
ऑल आर डिफरेंट टेबल्स, राइट?
yeah,
सब
right,
अलग
right.
अलग टेबल.
Yeah, right.
ओके
All
ओके
all three are different. I just teach you just to create that two types of table you have to create for as a calendar table when you don't have any calendar table in your data. Okay,
ओके
so there is a two method to create a date table. One is this date calendar auto function start date to end date, this function, and second one is just calendar auto function. And under this calendar auto function, we have one more common things like I will in future just now.
ओके ओके. सो इट मींस दैट जब हम ये टेबल्स बनाएंगे, डेट
Yeah,
टेबल्स और ये डेट्स, राइट,
yeah,
तो
yeah,
ऑटोमेटिकली दिस टेबल्स आर फैच द डेटा फ्रॉम द फाइनेंशियल्स, राइट?
yeah, right,
टेबल
right, right. That's
ऑटोमेटिकली वो फैच कर लेगा, राइट?
ऑटोमेटिक वो डेट ले लेगा आपकी फाइनेंशियल से,
हाँ,
स्टार्ट
यस,
डेट और एंड
हाँ,
डेट क्या है वो ऑटोमेटिक डेट
ओके,
ले
गॉट,
लेगा और ऑटोमेटिक कनेक्ट कर देगा आपके डाटा में. ठीक है,
ओके
बट
ओके.
डेट
और फिर हम फिर
बट कैलेंडर फंक्शन में
ओके
जो है उसके अंदर आपको ऐड करनी पड़ेगी कि भाई स्टार्ट डेट क्या है और एंड डेट क्या है, वहाँ आपको बतानी पड़ेगी. यहाँ आपको नो नीड टू टेल द फंक्शन दैट इट इज अ स्टार्ट डेट और इट इज एंड डेट. इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली कनेक्टेड विद द योर मेन
ओके ओके. तो अब जैसे ये वाले जो फंक्शंस हैं, ये तो हमें जैसे वी गेट इट, ओके, वी गॉट टू नो दैट लाइक कि फाइनेंशियल्स जो हमारे टेबल जो हमारा था, उस टेबल पे अगर हमें वी डोंट नो द स्टार्ट डेट और एंड डेट, देन वी नीड टू यूज टू फंक्शंस, एक कैलेंडर ऑटो और एक कैलेंडर, राइट? है ना? ओके. और इसमें एक मेरा क्वेश्चन और बन रहा है कि ये जो दोनों डेट टेबल और डेट्स जो हम ये बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, ये हमें एक आप कोई एक हाइपोथेटिकल सिनेरियो बता सकते हो कि ये टेबल हमने
ये देखो क्यों बनाया है, देखो ध्यान से देखना. जब आप अपने फाइनेंशियल्स को इस वाले फाइनेंशियल को कंपेयर करोगे डेट से, देखो इन दोनों में से हम किसी एक पे काम करेंगे, दो पे नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज दोनों टेबल सेम है. तो अगर हम दोनों पे काम करेंगे तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, हम किसी एक पे काम करेंगे बिकॉज ये मैंने आपको दोनों टेबल जो है सिर्फ सिखाई है कि बनाते कैसे, काम हम किसी एक पे करेंगे. ठीक है, अब देखो जब हम इस टेबल को कनेक्ट करेंगे, ये मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में बताता हूँ तुमने क्यों.
ओके ओके, गॉट योर पॉइंट. अब मुझे बेसिक थोड़ा समझ में आया कि ये आप एक तरीके से सिनेरियो, मतलब सिनेरियो नो, इट्स अ क्वेरी टेबल बना रहे हैं, राइट? और
इट्स अ क्वेरी टेबल. Right now,
query
it's a
table.
query table, like it's called as calculated column. Okay, so now we are just moving in the first, we need to just complete this one calendar table, and then after that we are moving into some of the measures. Okay, so now under this calendar table, suppose in the date table we have used the format function also, like year. Okay, year is a format function, month name, month number is a format function, day is a format. But in the date table we are using a one more function to add column. Okay, so add column, you need to just click on there and control shift enter directly. Then you down. Now if you want to add a year, you need to just put it year here, comma, and go to same function, format. Okay, for which value? Format. For financial, sorry, for date table. For a date table.
ओके, यू आर टेलिंग दैट कि आपको डेट टेबल से डेट उठाओ, राइट?
बस आपको वहां से वो डेट उठानी है। अब देखो डेट टेबल के अंदर डेट कॉलम, उसके बाद आप इसको क्लिक कर दो, एंड देन आपको ईयर जो है वो 4 फॉर्मेट में चाहिए, तो आप 4 फॉर्मेट में क्लिक करो, तो अब आपका ईयर बन जाएगा। एंड देन अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम सारी चीजें एक साथ एक ही फॉर्मूले में सारी चीजें कनेक्ट कर लेंगे। तो ये फॉर्मूला आपको बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप एक ही बार फॉर्मूले को कॉपी करो, आपकी डेट टेबल तैयार। ठीक है, ये चीज होगी। अब मैं इसको ऐसे कर, बस मैं एक बार आपके सामने लिख के आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि आप कैसे कैसे आप कर सकते हैं। तो नाउ वी नीड अ मंथ नंबर, add a month number in a column, comma. Right now, for month number we are using a month column, and for a date table. So let's see, now we use for month number, now month format. See, when you wrong, your data is not proper, right? Like this formula. Okay, see, I add a just formula. Okay, so if I click on this, see, it will show the error. So right now they that directly show you that in which step you are getting error, so that you can review your formula again and then put it formula again. Okay, so now we are using just format, and value is a date, comma, and month we need as a 3-digit number, 3-digit. See, when I put the dot, see, it will not say any error. Okay, but when I click on enter, it will say the error. So right, we need see, there is, you need to just expression this one, name expression, name expression means a name and expression, name and expression, name and expression. You need to divide the function into this, comma, and then see the name for is, right now we are doing shift enter, and see the name for they ask me. So name for we need, so right now we need to add a quarter. What is the spelling of quarter? Quarter. Quarter. Okay, now we are using a format, and then the date, that QQ we need as a 2 double format. Okay, so QQ, because we need a quarter as double format. And then we have to close this one and put the bracket, shift enter, and after that, suppose if we need a year and month into a same format, so year, we got format, date. Okay, we are using a date table, not a date function. Okay, so first remember the things, that we are using a date table and date column. Sorry, date column. Okay, so date column and comma, one here. Then we use comma and shift enter. Not use the only click enter. Use only the shift enter to drop down the second line or last next line. Now we using a weekday number. Okay, so in the same table we are using a week number, weekday number, format, date table, no, date table, not a date function, comma, in the date table, like weekday number, we are starting from 3. 3 is from Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So we are starting from 3. See, why we use a 3? Why we use a 3? If we start from Saturday to Saturday our week, okay, then I will write the comment here. If we start, 1 is for Sunday to Saturday, okay, and second is for Monday to Saturday, okay, and 3 we use for Sunday to Saturday is for 1, Monday to Saturday is for 2, and 3 is for using a Monday to Friday. So right now we are using, suppose if we are using Monday to Saturday, then I use a 2. Okay, so this one is just a, for your purpose, I use a comment that 1 is used for Sunday to Saturday, second is used for Monday to Saturday, and 3 is used for Monday to Friday, because the two days gap between 1 week. Right now we are using a weekday. Weekday number is over. Now we are using a weekday. Weekday means Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this kind of days. Okay. Then we are using a format date table, and start from, and the day we need a full name. Okay. If we need a 3 days, 3-day digit, then we use. But right now we are using a full name, and then enter. Now we are using a week number. Week number. Eight. And week number we are starting from day second, means a Monday. Sunday is excluding, so we are using from as a second. Double click week number, and now we are using a week merge with week number. Week and merge with week means a week number as well as a week date. That is a simple. Comma. So again we have to use a W and concatenate a week number. See, there is a week number. See, weekday is a return a number from 1 to 7, identify the day of the week of the date, and week number is used the return the week number in the year. Okay, so week number we have to use a week number, and then we use the date table, same table, and starting from 2. Let's see, 1 is for week begun on Sunday, second is for week begun on Monday. So then we can use the second and put the close parenthesis and the second clause, and then we have to use just the enter. See, when I put just enter, our date table is ready with all the data. See, year, month number, month, quarter, year, month, weekdays number, weekday, week number, and week number with the weekday. Means a week 27, week 28, week 29, week 31. There is a week wise detail. So why we use? Could you please tell me, just Raj and Pramod, why we use this whole format for making the relationship with the just financials? Why we use? Because sometimes, suppose our manager asks us, like, tell me the week 30 only, week 30, give us the week 30 financials data. Then you used to just directly click on the filter week 30 and put the data and sort out the data as per your requirement and send it to your manager directly. That is the reason we use the date table here. So now any doubt in the date table? Jasraj and Pramod. Now we are using.
याद करना पड़ेगा ना, we need to
Sorry?
learn it or we need to, like हमें तो ये रिमेम्बर करना पड़ेगा ना, रिमेमराइज करके रखना पड़ेगा, राइट
सर? क्योंकि अभी आप फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हो, ठीक है। जब आप मल्टीपल टाइम करोगे तो आपको रिमेम्बर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज इससे ज्यादा डेट टेबल कभी यूज ही नहीं होती है। ये तो सब, सॉरी, इससे ज्यादा डेट टेबल यूज होती है, बट ये सबसे मेन टेबल है और ये हर क्वेश्चन में यूज होती है। तो आपको क्यों याद रखना? आप इसको एक ही बार कॉपी करो एंड अपने जो नोट्स है उसको बनाओ एंड इसको कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दो। यहाँ क्यों आपको बार बार यूज करना? जब आपको थोड़ा बहुत मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है तो आप इसको चेंज करके रखो ना, बिकॉज यू नीड टू, या it's just a kind thing. Suppose if you are done with the Excel things, because everything you want to learn, because every work is a hard work. Because if you don't need to remember anything, then you don't able to write to do anything in your life. बिकॉज अगर आपको कोई चीज रिमेम्बर ही ना करनी पड़े फिर आप कोई चीज करोगे क्यों? बिकॉज रिमेम्बर करना तो बहुत जरूरी है ना आजकल के टाइम में. दैट इज द मेन रीजन. ओके. Because see, the date table is very needed because right now, suppose in every example, when you work in a company, date table is not there every time. Because in my data, when I put the basic step with you, my date table is there with you. Okay. But when you work in a company, the date table is always not there. So you have to remember one thing, you have to create a date table every time in your company. There is a necessary table in our data.
Okay,
जसराज आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है, थोड़ा पास आएंगे प्लीज.
हाँ, अब now it's better, right?
Right.
Okay. So I'm just asking, can you elaborate weekday number 2? जैसे यहाँ पे weekday number 2 है, तो ये वाला ये weekday number 2 जो है ना 7 वाला 7 ये वाला थोड़ा explain आप करोगे?
See, weekday number 2 is from our week is starting from if we used to weekday 1, if I used to weekday 2 instead of 1, then it started from Sunday to Saturday. Means the
Okay.
1 day gap between, or sorry, no day gap between every weekend. But now
वही है ना, हाँ.
they are using a 2 means a starting from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so your week is starting from Monday to Saturday. That is why your week is there, because we need a week number. So week number, how to use a week number? See, week 27 is ending on Sunday and week
अच्छा
28 is ending
एक
on
just
Monday.
एक मिनट, just hold.
Yeah.
अभी हम आगे नहीं जाते हैं, हम बस सपोज यहीं तक रहते हैं, ठीक है, 7 तक ही रहते हैं, ठीक है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने 2 लिखा, राइट. अब हमने फर्स्ट को डिनोट किया है मतलब संडे टू सैटरडे को हमने डिनोट किया है 1 से, राइट. और मंडे टू सैटरडे को हमने डिनोट किया है 2 से, ठीक है ना. तो हमने 2 वीक्स का लिया है, तो हमने पहला वीक को माना है सैटरडे टू संडे. अब मंडे टू सैटरडे का मींस मतलब कि ये तो फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में लॉन्च हो गया ना,
राइट. Right. See, sir, this kind of data is required here to here. Like, let me show you. See, your week is starting from. See, week is
नहीं, एक
starting
बार
from.
एक्सेल पे आना, आप एक बार एक्सेल पे. मैंने इसको अपने लैंग्वेज में समझना चाहता हूँ. नहीं, एक कोई फ्रेश एक्सेल, हाँ इधर क्लिक करना, एक न्यू एक्सेल पे, ठीक है. न्यू एक्सेल एक सीट पे, न्यू ये है ना, प्लस पे क्लिक कर लो ना, प्लस पे. हाँ, तो यस, अब यहाँ पे आप समझाना कैसे वो कैलकुलेट किया. सैटरडे टू संडे.
एक्चुअली सर, ये मीटिंग 1 मिनट में ऐड हो जाएगी, तो मैं इस मीटिंग के बाद आपको समझाऊंगा, ठीक है.